Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So me and Jeremiah are on our way. We're driving like an hour away to go get some Miata parts. This is what we're getting. This is like the front radiator support headlight bracket. And I found a donor Miata that has that. And hopefully it's gonna be pretty cheap because this part online was like 300 bucks. Hopefully we get a good deal on it. Let me show you the car that we're going to get. The car is also the same color as my car. So that's gonna be our donor Miata. It's like a scrapyard or something that we're going to. So yeah, this is the car that we're gonna go look at. And then the guy said that we can just take that piece from the front end. So front end looks good on this car. I think it's just 4 bolts that hold it. And then there's some spot welds that we might have to drill out. But yeah, that's pretty much the only like big body piece that we're gonna need from that car. Once we get that piece and put it into my car, the car is pretty much gonna look like normal again. Just go ahead and look at this scrap Miata. Hopefully we get this piece and get the Miata rebuilt, guys, right?
Right.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're 1 minute away. We're in some like driveway, dirt road. Let's see if we can see the Miata.
Where's 130? Here's 130. Says that.
Is that him? All right, that guy in the Mazda, little truck, told us to follow him down the road, so let's follow him. Where are we? Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this.
Yeah, open the gate. Stayed on property.
Crazy. He just opened the gate. Keep the camera down for that.
We're not YouTubers. We're not.
Alright, let's keep going. Oh, the road is paved at least. Does he have like a whole junkyard?
Probably, yeah. Looks like it. Look. If you film that right.
Oh yeah, look at this.
That's it. It's gotta be.
Yo, look at all these whips. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Oh,
Look at that old ass Toyota.
look at these vans, yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, we going deep in here. Huh? Look at these cars are just overgrown.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that. Alright, I guess we're here.
Oh, here it is. Oh my god.
Oh, yo, that's the Miata right there. Oh my god. There's like nothing left.
Wow. Nice, it's on there, man.
Oh, that's what we need right here. Nice piece. Look at this, guys. Overgrown Miata. Oh, look at that. Crazy. But yeah, let's get this piece off. I think we're gonna just have to get the spot welds off.
Like a bolt right here.
And they unbolt and the bolts down here, so.
I'll get my toolbox.
Let's go get the tools, yeah. Look at that
Crazy,
thing.
bro.
Look at this thing, guys. So yeah, now we just have to drill out the spot welds and we should be able to take this piece out. So I'm also gonna take this piece. And there's another Miata back there that I'm gonna take a fender from, maybe some other parts. I'll show you in a sec. But this is super sick, guys. All right, guys, so I'm drilling out all the spot welds right now so we can take the front piece off. All right. It's so hard to get in there because of this. So we're literally just gonna cut the front off, guys. See, we already cut this side, that side, just so we don't have to mess with these spot welds. So let's get it. right?
Hold on. I'm gonna finish cutting it in two. I just had to change blades.
She's almost off.
That blade, it just got to where it didn't want to cut too good.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. The whole front end.
Crazy.
That's what we need, guys. Look at that. Check this out, Jeremiah. All right, we're all good. We just need this whole front piece, but we got the whole front end just in case. So, and then there's also another Miata that I'm going to show you. We're going to get the front fender from it, and we also got all this.
For the Army, they built like bombs and things. What was all the hell?
So we're getting this fender. Look at this thing.
You need to screw the
Alright guys, so we also have a passenger side fender. Might as well just use that until I fix the carbon ones. And look at that little spider, look at that spider in there. A bunch of spiders. Look at that thing.
Big old boy. Eat them. Take a little bite.
120?
112.
You have a 112-pound snake?
Ball python.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's like a pet?
Oh.
I also got a reservoir because mine's all crinkled up, so we're just gonna use this one. Dude, look at this cat. So guys, we got the parts, we got the hood latch, the reservoir. Here, let's go. Dude, we literally hit a gold mine for the Miatas, guys. We literally got pretty much everything we're gonna need, so.
Oh yeah.
Get it. Alright guys, we got a Miata front end right here. Yeah, I got it. We'll take it off. I have a 10mm over there. Alright, so check this out. We got the Jeep loaded up with the whole front end of the Miata. We got the fender too. But that's the whole front end of the frame, guys, literally. Look at that, we barely fit it in here. Look at that. Utility vehicle. Alright guys, so we ended up coming back because I got a trunk because my trunk has holes drilled into it for the wing. So I might as well have an extra trunk in case I want to run no wing. And we also found this, guys. The strut brace for the strut towers that goes over, makes it stiffer in the front. I've been wanting one of these forever, so we got that too. But I think we're all set, guys. Time to do this rebuild.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so look at this. We're leaving the junkyard right now. We got all the parts loaded up thanks to Jeremiah. Big thanks to him. But look at this. Crazy. This guy said he has like 150 acres back here. And it's like all these car parts, cars. Alright guys, so we're driving back. We literally have half a Miata in the back of his Jeep, guys. This is nuts. I don't even know how we fit this. Oh yeah, we got the trunk in there, the fender, the whole front end of the Miata. Guys, you do not understand how like happy I am now. That's like literally all we need to get the car, fix the car. Yeah, other than like a radiator and some hoses. But I'm probably not gonna use the whole front part because we don't really need that. So like we were trying to do in the beginning, I'm gonna drill out the spot welds and then we're gonna just take that front frame piece and put it on my car. So let's get it home, clean everything up, lay it all out, and see how it looks. So, let's go. Go this way. Where's this mat? Alright. Just put it in front of the whip. Right. Here's the whole front end, guys. Look at this. Yo. Woo. Woo.
Yeah.
Hey. Look at this, guys. So we got the fender lining, we got the front bar. I don't even think I'm gonna need that, but just in case. We got the strut bar support thing. We got the trunk lid, got the fender, and we got the whole front end piece. Alright guys, so this thing was literally like in the middle of the forest, overgrown. So we're just kind of spraying it down, simple green, and getting it cleaned up a little bit. Look at that. Ooh.
Wait,
I Alright, so as you guys can see, I got all the parts washed and cleaned up. My driveway literally looks like a scrapyard right now, but look at this, guys. I've done some mock-up measurements on what I'm going to do with this. And what I think I'm going to end up doing is, as you can see right here, this is all just sheet metal. And this piece is just spot welded right here. And as you can see, it's just a thin piece of sheet metal. So what I'm going to do, so as you see, this piece is all nasty and wrinkled up. And from what it looks like on this side, it looks like there was a collision on this side as well. Because if you see, it kind of looks like they try to straighten out and it looks all wavy and wrinkly. Compared to here, where these wheel wells are just mint. Same with this one, they're just mint. So what I'm thinking is just basically drill out the spot welds and then take this rectangle piece, cut that one out, and just weld that. These rectangular sides also hold the headlight brackets and they're just spot welded in. So if I just take this piece, this rectangle side and that rectangle side, and cut it out, and then cut this out and this out, and then just kind of weld along this line and spot weld into here, I could just transfer that piece over to there with the upper radiator and headlight support, and then we'll have nice and fresh wheel wells and everything's gonna look even better than it is right now. So I'm gonna talk to my welder buddy and we're gonna see what the best way to do this. And yeah, and I also have to get a welder probably too. This is super hype, guys. It's crazy that we found one in NC and that's the same exact color. And guys, I'm super hyped. We're gonna get this thing looking even better than it is in the next month. So I also got another fender. I got another trunk lid. That's gonna because my trunk lid has holes drilled into it for the wing. So in case I want to run no wing, I'll have an extra trunk. And while I'm repairing that carbon on this fender, I could just use this one temporarily. And that's pretty much it, guys. And stay tuned for the next video. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.